Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umar, back with a new topic. This is the most important topic, how to make barcodes on Excel file and how can use Excel made barcodes for small business. Okay, so this topic is very important for students, employees, those who working in sales field and others as well, but most important for those who are running a small business, because big brands can afford expensive softwares for inventory purpose and for pricing purpose, but a small business owner don't have enough investment for this such softwares, so they make by own self using MS Excel and their smartphones. Okay, so the question is how they can make. Okay, so let's get started. um, let's see how they can make a barcode software. Okay, so here I make it already, like product names, as you see, like vinegar, shampoo, soap, and the prices are mentioned against each. Okay, so first of all, guys, the barcode must should be a 9 digit or 13 digit. Okay, so here we will discuss both of them. Okay, so let's start, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Okay, so this is a 10 digit barcode. Okay, so first of all, guys, when we are making barcode, first of all, we even if this number is in a journal format or any other format, we must need to add this number to a text format. Okay, so it's already in the text format. Okay, so now here we're going to make a barcode. Okay, so we need to add the formula for make the barcode. Okay, so guys, this is a formula for generate a barcode. Okay, b2, as you guys know, like the number which we are looking for to generate as a barcode. Okay, it's in that digit is in b2, so that's why we add b2. Okay, we can run that. Okay, let's check it. Okay, so now this number came up. Okay, so here we got one of language as a normal languages in like in the font languages in the in the Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. Okay, so here we this language, like we need to download. Okay, I will add the link in description as well. It's ID Automational HC39M. Okay, so we're going to add this language and it will convert, like as you guys see, the barcode is generated already. Okay, so here we're going to add some more values like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so let's try to make a 9 digit barcode. Okay, so we're going to copy and paste the formula as usual as we add up. Okay, so here you guys can see like a 9 digit barcode is ready to use. Okay, so what we're going to do in a third option, we're going to make one more barcode. Okay, for the soap, so we can add any random number. Okay, okay, it's 2 4 6 8, so and 13. Okay, so guys, this is a 13 digit. Okay, so here is the 13-digit barcode is available now. Okay, so guys, here we got like a three of items like vinegar, shampoo, soap basically. Okay, and we're going to scan the barcode using a mobile app. Okay, the one of mobile app you guys need to use for scan the barcode physically, uh, using like any product. Like as you guys know, any product in the market, there is a generated barcode on it. Okay, so you guys can scan that barcode using your smartphone. Okay, so there is a app name, a barcode reader, PC barcode reader. I will add the link in the description as well, so you guys can download. Okay, so now, okay guys, so let me show you how you can scan a product using your smartphone. Okay, so we're going to use a PC barcode site. Okay, that's a application which is available on this app. Okay, so it's got 4.1 review. Okay, and it's a very good app. You can scan any kind of product with the barcode. You can scan it and you can save it in your Excel sheet. Okay, let's see how you can do that. Okay, so now, barcode reader. Okay, and first of all, you need to connect this app to your PC. Okay, here is the available server. You're going to refresh that. Now it's already connected to my PC. Okay, so here I got some product. Okay, which I'm going to scan. Okay, and the barcode numbers will be saved in the Excel sheet. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so when the product will already be scanned and saved in Excel file, there will be a one of beep generated. Okay, it will give a one of beep. You can get know that your file is already saved in your Excel sheet. Okay, after you get that beep. Okay, so I'm scanning here the one of shampoo. Okay, okay, and here I got a one of soap, which I'm going to scan the barcode. The barcode is look like different than others. Okay, but no matter if it's look like different, but there is a number. We just have a concern with a number which gonna be add up in our Excel sheet, and we will generate their one of barcode in our Excel sheet as well. Okay, so okay, so it's done already. Okay, so now we go ahead and look our Excel sheet if it's already being added or not. Okay, okay, so now, after we scan the barcodes on the product we enter here, so the barcodes is here available. Okay, for the vinegar is the barcode as I show you. Okay, and for the soap, the barcode as we check over there, like 4005900224897. The same as barcode is already entered here. Automatically it's entered here in my Excel sheet. Okay, so we're going to convert it to the actual barcode. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay guys, Okay, so as you guys know, we need to select the language, a barcode language, which is ID Automational HC39M. Okay, so here we got our buyer barcode. Okay, alright guys. So as I told you guys, like the prices will be add by itself. Okay, and once the product enter in your store or in your shop, what you need to do, you need to scan that. Okay, and you need to like when you're going to scan that product, the number generated number will be come up in your Excel sheet. Okay, and you can generate a barcode over here as well. Okay, so whenever like some customer going to buy that product, okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to scan it. Okay, the prices will already be mentioned in your Excel sheet. Okay, and it's gonna add up. Okay, add up, and you can like count it. Okay, and you can charge the customer how much the bill is going to generate through the Excel sheet. Okay, I hope you guys understand this process. Okay, if there is any question you guys have for this barcode, like how to make a barcode, or how to scan it and how to save in the Excel sheet, you can ask me. Okay, thank you so much for watching this guys. Take care yourself. Okay, see you next time with a new tip. Bye bye.